Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of convenient and eco-friendly baby food storage with the WeeSprout glass baby food storage jars. These 4-ounce glass jars with lids are perfect for batch prepping and storing multiple meals for your little one, featuring embossed measurement markings that make it easy to prepare snack-size portions or balanced meals. Designed for every feeding stage, these versatile containers are ideal for storing purees, baby food, breast milk, and more, with secure lids to prevent leaks. The jars come with colorful lids in orange, purple, green, blue, yellow, and red, adding a fun touch to your kitchen while ensuring proper portioning. Made from thick food-grade glass and premium hard silicone lids, these jars are a durable alternative to single-use containers, providing long-lasting use. Plus, they are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze from start to finish. Whether you're a new parent or looking for a reliable storage solution, the WeeSprout glass baby food storage jars are a must-have investment for your family's needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.